Do you have a pair of Vibram Five Finger shoes that have a detached sole? If you do, I'm going to show you how to fix this. You're going to get yourself some Barge all-purpose cement. Gloves. Some clips. Eye protection. In a well-ventilated area. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to apply some Barge on both sides of your sole. You want to try and stay within the same original area. And you don't have to apply too much either. Now that you have it applied to one side, you apply it to the opposite side. And same as before, you don't have to apply too much. Now you're going to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, let it get tacky, and then we'll put it all together. While you wait for the glue to get tacky, work on something else. I was working on a mask. Let me know what you think. If that mask was too gory, do something a little bit more fun. This is a gremlin. Face mask cover. Which one do you like better? Leave a comment below. Alright, now that you let some time go by, what you're going to do is secure it back to each side, making sure everything lines up to your best effort. Then you're going to take your clips and secure it again to make sure nothing moves around. And I would leave it there for about 24 hours just to be safe. Here's one that I already repaired. Has a secure bond. And they should be good to go again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you learned something new or if I was able to help you.